In this tutorial I will show you how to cancel one-click pay on Temu. Please follow these steps. Open the Temu app and tap on the U option at the bottom of the screen. In the top right corner, click on the settings icon. On the settings page, select payment methods. If you have previously set up one-click pay, you will see it listed here. Tap on it. You will be taken to a page where you can manage this feature. Click on the Cancel or Disable option. Confirm your decision. Please note that if you have used one-click pay in the last 30 days, you might not be able to cancel it immediately through the app. In that case, please contact customer support for assistance.